Once a dog had a piece of meat. When he was passing over the bridge, he saw his reflection in the water. He thought that it was another dog. He became greedy. He barked at Shadow to get meat. His piece of meat fell down in the water. He lost his piece of meat. In greed, he lost his piece of meat. If he had not been greedy, he could have eaten his piece. Moral: greed is curse. Greed leads to regret. Don't be greedy. The greedy always loses. Greed always ends badly. Greed is the cause of death. Greed causes destruction and harm.